commercial dishwasher drain pump doesn't work. So pull it out, put it on the side, get the front plate, and this is where the drain pump, this is what we're gonna change. Okay, so we're gonna unscrew this one to get this hose out, but also we need to disconnect it. So I marked it just to know which one goes where. After the hose being moved, moving those two bottom screws just to be able to remove the pump. But be careful because there is another hose over here that needs to be disconnected. So using flex bit, I'm gonna reach that screw to get that hose out. Kind of get rusty and very stuck, cannot move it. Go to the new one, and as you can see, I'll be able to turn. Okay, I already placed a new one. You like sliding over here through this side, and make sure the first thing you do, you place the top hose over here. Okay, this one, and you tied it up, make sure that it's not gonna slide off, and then you tying two bolts over here. The next one, I'm gonna place water hose back to water valve, and then afterwards I will connect this hose over here. Okay, as you can see, everything tied up. Then we're gonna connect just the power. One and two, and we'll be ready for the test drive. And we can hear it's draining.